DSST Cole campus is centrally located in the historic Five Points neighborhood and houses students grades 6 through 12 in our beautiful building, which was built in 1925. At DSST Cole, we believe that all students from all backgrounds are capable of earning a world-class education while developing their character to be caring, smart, and well-rounded individuals. We deeply believe that every student deserves to be seen, acknowledged, and valued for who they are.
This is my first time coming to Cole, first year, and so far I like it because my old school I didn't really have transition time and lockers and all that.
Misha Hudak is the school director of the middle school. Misha has been working at Cole campus for 9 consecutive years and has previously served as the director of special services. Misha is a fierce advocate for students with special needs and brings this equity lens into all of the spaces that she leads. Grant Irwin is the 6 through 12 campus director. Grant has been leading at Cole for 2 years. Before joining DSST, Grant was the founding principal at KIPP Northeast Leadership Academy, which was rated the top performing high school in all of DPS. Grant brings immense grit and persistence to ensure our students are receiving a competitive education.
The teachers make the rules and the consequences so it can make sense to everybody else.
In order to help students feel comfortable and confident, we encourage students to develop strong relationships with their teachers and peers through advisory. Students attend advisory daily to build relationships and a sense of pride and identity within the school. The advisor plays a major role to support students academically, develop emotional intelligence, and is a primary point person for families.
My hopes and dreams are that 10 years from now they come and find me in a store, at a restaurant, and say, hey look, Mr. Maeda, I graduated college, I made it, I am able, I have a house, I have a family. That's why I do the work here.
Building a strong identity requires exposure to many avenues of interest. To support this curiosity, Cole offers over 30 clubs which students can participate in during the school day on Wednesdays. A few examples of clubs include cooking club, video game club, crochet club, drumline, and weightlifting. Cole Middle School also offers various after-school sports where they compete against other schools across the district. Cole High School has a unique and wonderful partnership with Manual High School, where Cole students can participate on all of Manual's sports teams and develop relationships within a larger community.
Personally, for me, my favorite thing about Cole is clubs, since you're able to participate in something you actually care about.
At DSST Cole, we believe it truly takes the effort of a whole community to build capable, invested, resilient, and self-sufficient individuals. We are dedicated to building relationships within the larger Five Points community by partnering with local organizations, offering community resources, and work with an array of volunteers to provide our students and families with opportunities. DSST Cole aims to be a pillar within the community by sustaining our promise to have 100% of our 12th graders be accepted into a 4-year university. This level of commitment and preparation begins in 6th grade and is easily transferable through our 6 through 12 model. We hope that DSST Cole can also be a home to you and your student.